If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel. You may have seen many videos about the Metro Manila subway, in which even through a social media virtual tour, we have seen the factory where they make the tunnel boring machine. This video will show you how this gigantic tunnel is going to be made for the Metro Manila subway. A subway tunnel is a very big hole which is made by digging underground for the purpose of building a railway underground where the train will pass through in what is called a subway. In order to make this tunnel, we will need a machine that will dig this gigantic hole deep underground. This machine is called the tunnel boring machine, a very big and gigantic drilling machine. One of the most important components of the tunnel boring machine is the cutter head, which will drill this gigantic hole underground no matter how hard it may be. A tunnel boring machine has many gigantic components. As a matter of fact, it will be inside the tunnel boring machine where people will work to make this subway tunnel. Now let us see how this tunnel and subway is actually going to be made for the Metro Manila subway. Before we begin, let us have a little history lesson of some of the modern railway systems in the world.
September 1973, the proposal to build the first subway in Metro Manila was conceived in a study conducted by JICA's predecessor, the Japan Overseas Technical Cooperation Agency, or the OTCA, in September 1973. A year later, in 1974, Seoul in South Korea opened its first subway line, and fast forward to the present, Seoul subway now has one of the longest subway systems in the world. In 1984, Singapore launched its first tunnel boring machine, and Taiwan followed 7 years later. After nearly half a century and 6 administrations from the 1973 OTCA study, under the strong-willed leadership of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte and Secretary Arthur P. Tugade, it is now Manila's turn. It is now the Philippines' turn to finally build our first ever subway using for the first time not just one, but a fleet of 25 railway tunnel boring machines or TBMs. To catch up in the development of our country's mass transport system, the Metro Manila Subway Project, along with our 12 other railway projects throughout the country, are being implemented at record scale and at record speed. The first 6 tunnel boring machines that are currently being manufactured by JIM Technology Corporation at their factory in Tsurumi, Japan. Measuring 6.99 meters in diameter and 95 meters in length, each of these 700-ton TBMs will be used for the partial operability section of the project from Barangay Ugong in Valenzuela City to North Avenue in Quezon City. Each of these gigantic machines can lay down up to 12 meters of tunnel segments per day and excavate daily up to 600 cubic meters of soil. The 34-kilometer Metro Manila Subway Project, with its 17 stations from Valenzuela to NAIA Terminal 3 and FTI, is expected to excavate approximately 7.7 million cubic meters of soil, or the equivalent of 3,100 Olympic-sized swimming pools. A tunnel boring machine's sheer size and power will not only contribute to faster tunneling and project completion, but will also significantly reduce disruption above ground during construction. Our first completed TBM is scheduled to arrive in the Philippines by the end of January 2021, with the second TBM following shortly after in February 2021.
For the partial operability section of the Metro Manila Subway from Barangay Ugong in Valenzuela City to North Avenue in Quezon City, the first part is to start digging at the first station of the Metro Manila Subway line, which in this case is in Barangay Ugong in the Valenzuela Subway Station. All the parts of the tunnel boring machine will have to be transported to the Valenzuela Subway Station site location in Valenzuela City. Then all the parts of the tunnel boring machine will be lowered down and assembled at the designated tunnel site. This is an illustration of how the tunnel excavation is going to be made.
First of all, the launching cradle of the TBM will be placed at the designated entry point of the subway tunnel. Then all the parts of the tunnel boring machine will be assembled on the launching cradle. The TBM will then start digging the tunnel from the Valenzuela station. The excavated soil will be passed on through a conveyor and solid pump system. At the back receiving end of the tunnel boring machine, the excavated soil will be received and transported out of the tunnel excavation site. On and around the tunnel, where the tunnel boring machine will be digging, a tunnel ring will, almost at the same time, be made in a ring building process. This tunnel ring will be the actual tunnel structure, which will be constructed in the tunnel ring building process. This process will all be automated by the tunnel boring machine. The prefabricated segment pieces of the tunnel ring will be transported inside the portions of the completed tunnel and bring it through the back end of the tunnel boring machine. The segment pieces will be laid out around the tunnel, which the tunnel boring machine has already finished digging, with the help of tunnel construction workers and engineers. The actual tunnel building process is shown here in the actual construction of the tunnel subway of the Ho Chi Minh City Metro of Vietnam. The whole process will be computerized and controlled in the control room of the tunnel boring machine. In and around the edges of the tunnel ring will be filled with grout by the backfill grouting unit of the tunnel boring machine. A grout is some sort of a paste for filling gaps between the wall and wall tiles, which in this case is the prefabricated ring segment pieces of what will be the subway tunnel. At the ultimate end of the tunnel, which in this case would be the North Avenue station, construction would have already started, even before the tunnel boring machine has finished digging the tunnel. When the tunnel boring machine has finished making the tunnel, it will be dismantled. Then the tunnel boring machine will again be assembled on the next tunnel, which is scheduled to be made. So that is how a subway tunnel for the Metro Manila subway is going to be made. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't worry, be happy, and have a very happy trip.